She wanna know me, I stay low key, all gas, no brakes.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a package here from JOSLOVE. Sorry about the light, it's from the plastic on here. But this is from JOSLOVE and this is a polygel nail kit. They asked if I'd like to try their polygel, so I said yes. I haven't tried their polygel before. There's 6 colors in here and it looks like they're 15 ml tubes. There's just some product information there. Main ingredients. It says be confident to show yourself, and then here's some tips here. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get this opened. All right, so we get some little instruction book here. See, it just says what is extension gel, how to create polygel nails, and then the more steps on the back, frequently asked questions. We get a little lamp here. So yeah, we have just a standard cord. It's really cute, I like it. And it just has the little, it's got 6 bulbs and it's got little legs. And then we get some dual forms here. I haven't used dual forms. These look like they're probably like a coffin shape. We get a polygel brush. So we get the spatula on one side and then the brush on the other. Looks like a good brush. Get some slip solution. 30 ml, top coat and base coat. These are 10 ml. And I'm going to go ahead and get the polygel out. Alright, so it looks like we get some nude. These look like these are kind of a nude collection maybe. So this is the first one here. Sorry, this light. It's 2701. This is clear. And then white, pink, nude, dark nude, and coffee. So yeah, I'll go ahead and get something so that we can swatch these. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and just use this little wheel that I have. It looks like it's kind of scratched a little bit, but we just want to see the colors. I'm going to use the slip solution here. Alright, so I will go ahead and do the clear. So they do come with a little seal on it. Oh, a little air bubble. So it is a little bit sticky, even with the slip solution. But yeah, it looks pretty clear. I do have some bubbles just probably from using that slip solution. But yeah, it looks pretty clear. I'm gonna go ahead and cure this. So we'll see we're gonna do the white now. Okay, yeah, this one's not as sticky as the clear. The white seems more soft. That's pretty bright white. Alright, so now we're going to go in with the pink. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. Alright, so now we have the nude. This one's soft too and like easy to move around. That's pretty too. Alright, we have the dark nude. like that color, that's pretty. All right, the last one is coffee. Oh, that's really pretty. All right, so these are all the colors here. They are so pretty. The clear is pretty clear. I just wiped it with alcohol, so it looks a little smeared, but yeah, that pink is gorgeous. All right, so I'm gonna think of what I want to do for my set, and I'll be right back. All right, so I decided to go with the nude, the dark nude, and the coffee, and then of course I will be using, I think I'll use the white. I want to try to do a marble. This is what I have. I have this Easter foil here. It's got like chocolate bunnies, chocolate eggs, so I thought that would go perfect with like the nude and the coffee, and then try to do like a marble and mix in a little bit of white. But yeah, look at that, how cute. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get my tips ready. All right, so I applied my tips. I am gonna try to sculpt the polygel. I usually do the lazy girl method, but I'm gonna go ahead and try. I roughened up the tips just a little bit. I have a peel off base coat on, but I'm gonna go ahead and put this base coat all over. I've seen people do that, where you apply the base coat all over the nail. And then we cure that for 60 seconds. So now I'm going to go in with coffee, and I'm going to apply this to the pinky. And so yeah, I've only done the sculpting of the polygel. This is my second time actually. I've only done it one time before. So, but yeah, this polygel was actually very nice to work with. It was soft, but it wasn't too soft to where it flooded the cuticles. But yeah, it was very, very nice to work with. The slip solution helped to smooth it out really nice. And so yeah, I was actually very happy with the polygel. And I like the way they came out. They actually came out really nice. So yeah, I'm gonna show 3 nails. Of course it's all sped up because we'd be here forever. But yeah, I mean, I'm not teaching anybody how to, you know, sculpt polygels. Like I said, it's my second time. But yeah, I go off of, you know, other people that I see. And so yeah, I do need to work on my apex a little bit. But yeah, overall, I really, really enjoyed the polygels. And now I'm going to go in with the nude, and I'm going to apply this to the ring finger and the index finger, but I'm only going to show the ring finger because it's going to be the same exact thing. But I just want to show you how nice the polygels are. Very nice to work with. I really enjoyed the clear. When we do get to the clear was a little bit thicker, and like I said, I didn't notice it was sticky. I don't know, when I did the swatches it was kind of sticky, but when I actually, you know, encapsulated the nail, it wasn't sticky. It was just a little bit firmer than the colored polygels. But yeah, this pink is really pretty. This is not the brighter pink. I'm definitely going to use that. The other pink that I didn't use in this video, I'm definitely going to use it in a set because I think it'd be perfect in a spring set. It's such a beautiful pink. But this is the pink that's just a little bit lighter because I thought it went good with the foils. So you just want to make sure that you smooth everything out. And of course I still had some little lumps and, you know, here and there. But like I said, it was really nice to work with. And I was trying to make them, you know, make them not too thick. But yeah, those are the 2 fingers done there with the pink. And yeah, it's really pretty. So then I'm going to go in, this is the middle finger, and I'm going to try to do a marble. I've seen a couple people do a marble, so I'm just going to be laying a couple little dots of each shade. I'm using the white, the coffee, and then I will use a little bit of the nude in there. So yeah, I'm just randomly placing little dots there. It kind of got messy at one point, but yeah, I just kind of laid it wherever. And then I take a dotting tool that I dipped in the slip solution, and I'm just gonna go around and, you know, kind of mix the colors together. I thought it came out cute, and then when I put the foils on, I kind of covered up the marble, but I thought it came out okay for my first time doing a marble with polygel. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna mix them around, and then I'll take my brush and smooth everything out. Yeah, I did have a couple little bubbles. That's what I was doing. I was just popping those bubbles. And then I just took a little bit of the polygel and just put it where the holes were and just blended it back in. So yeah, it was pretty easy to fix it. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the clear, and I'm just going to show me encapsulating the middle finger, but I do encapsulate all the nails. But I'm just going to show the middle finger, and I did already apply it, and I wasn't recording, so yeah, I was already like halfway done, and I was like, oh, I looked up and it wasn't recording, so yeah, I don't know, that happens, but so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth everything out. But like I said, this was a little bit, it is firmer than the colored gels, but I mean, it wasn't hard to work with or anything. It was just a little bit firmer, just took a little bit more smoothing out, but it was pretty clear. I did get a couple little bubbles, and I didn't notice it till after I'd already, finished. But yeah, those are all the nails all encapsulated, and I'm just going to go in some alcohol and wipe off that sticky layer. And we're going to get into the filing. The sanding band is, oh, I just love it. I absolutely love this sanding band. I got it from JOSLOVE Nails, and I absolutely love it. It helps so much with the shaping. I mean, I gotta still work with it a little more. I've only worked with it a few times, but it helps. And especially, like I said, with the free edge, it makes it like really straight. So I'm not gonna show a lot of filing. I'm just gonna show this, and then I think I show I don't even know if I show any more filing. No, that's all I showed, yeah, because I mean, it's all the same, like with acrylic or anything. So right now I'm going ahead and putting a coat of foil gel, and then I'm going to place this little foil that looks like some chocolate little drips. I'm actually going to place that on all the nails, but I'm not going to show every nail. I'm just going to show this nail. So yeah, I'm just pressing that down. And then I'm just going to be taking random little pieces here, and I'm not going to show everything. I just did a foil video, actually my last video. So yeah, I'm just cut out random little pieces and just, press it down. I love that little chocolate bunny. It's so cute. And so now we're going to go in with the top coat. I already top coated the other nails. I'm just showing the thumb here. And this stuff is really shiny. I really liked it. Look how shiny it is. And I'm going to go ahead and cure that for 60 seconds. But yeah, look at that, shiny. So I'm just showing here my shaping and like my apex and stuff. I thought I did pretty good. I did have a little dip in that one. I didn't even notice that when I was filing, but yeah, I really enjoyed working with these polygels. They were really amazing. So this is the finished set here. Oh my gosh, thank you so much, JOSLOVE, for sending me this kit. Honestly, the polygels are really nice to work with. I think I'm gonna go and get a couple sets, you know, different colors. So, and I also like sculpting, so I might be doing some more of that. But thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.